update to make GrabCAD work for everyone, because if you don't have your GrabCAD in this specific location, NX isn't going to let you open assemblies, and it's going to be really screwy, and you're going to have to replace components every time. So this is an update to make GrabCAD work with NX properly. So what you need to do is open up your GrabCAD workbench and hit the gear icon at the top, and then go to settings, and then here, once you're at this page here, you want to go to change default folder and account, and what you're going to do is the GrabCAD folder location, select choose, and then scroll down to this PC, and then click OSC so it's highlighted like that, and click OK. Once that's done, press finish setup, and it will update your folder to be on your C drive. Biggest thing is to have the C:/GrabCAD as your folder location. The next thing that you're going to want to do is in your NX, you're going to want to find this menu button. If it's not there, right click in this blank space up here, right click and make sure that top border bar is selected. And then that'll have this menu come up, and then go File, Options, Assembly Load Options, and then make sure that your load options are as saved, and then hit OK. And essentially this changes NX from looking for files in only the folder that the assembly is in to all of the relevant folders on your computer. So once you have that switched to as saved, you should be able to download your GrabCAD. You'll want to delete your old GrabCAD folder, and then open up the master assembly from your GrabCAD folder on your C drive. So go to your C drive, GrabCAD, Mark IV, and then open your master assembly. This is loaded, it'll work if you don't get any errors popping up and you have all the sub-assemblies loaded in.